Welcome to Fast Friday. Today we're going to talk about two things. First, my favorite Fujifilm accessory of all time, and number two, Instagram hashtag that went out last week and some really cool photos that people put up. I can't wait to get into this. Roll that intro. Hi everyone, welcome to Pal to Tech. There are a lot of really awesome Fujifilm accessories that you can get. For example, this awesome red button that goes on top of the camera. All kinds of things that you can do to kind of trick out your camera, but there is one accessory that I think really stands above all the others. I think this is the single best accessory you can get for your Fujifilm camera. Drum roll, please. Ready? This, ladies and gentlemen, this is the Fujifilm MEIKE-X11 macro lens extension tube. This will allow you to take any Fujifilm lens and turn it into a macro lens, and you can shoot right from home. You can practice focus stacking, all kinds of other creative things. What you do, it's real simple. You put it on between the camera and the lens. So for example, this is the 56mm. You go ahead and stick this on right there. Then you go ahead and put this on just like this, and you're done. Check out this depth of field. Ooh, ooh. You can really get some amazing shots with this. I think the 56mm lens is one of the best lenses. That's the portraiture lens. I think it's one of the best lenses that you can use with this extension. They also make the MEIKE-X16. And what's interesting is the MEIKE-X11, that's the smaller one that I have on here right now, that one is about $100. The larger one, the 16, is about $87. I have found though that the 11 is better overall in terms of it just gives you more versatility. This one's a little bit on the longer side, and if you're only going to get one, I think the 11 is the one to go with. Check it out. I'll try it with the 50-140 zoom lens. Let's try that. Okay, have it on there right here. That red that you see in there is my focus peaking I have set, but it really does take a normal lens and, overload it and give you real creative freedom. You can get real close up. You can do focus stacking. It is so much fun. I've got 4 others right here, okay? Now, there's a brand, and I'm going to screw up the pronunciation. MEIKE, doesn't matter. I'll have it in the description below. MEIKE, MKF-AF3. You get actually 2 of these. You get this and this. You basically get a 10mm and a 16mm for $25. You get both of these. They have electronic contacts on them, so you get autofocus. You get autofocus, you get sensing of the lens and all of that good stuff. If you really love macro, and this is kind of taking you down that creative path of awesomeness, then you can go ahead and buy the macro lens when you are able to sell your kidney. But at this point, right now, if you've never done this before, you should consider it. It is really one of those accessories for Fujifilm that opens up all kinds of creative doors for you. And it'll work with the X-T2, the X-T3, the X-T4, and so forth. Any X-mount lens. Why not practice some macro photography? And if you do, I would love to see it on Instagram. Make sure that you hashtag it my story right here and show me what you're doing. I would love to see it. Now, last week I mentioned that hashtag my story right here as a way for you to kind of tell the world what you're doing, and some people did that, and I was blown away at what they came up with. I want to show you really quickly. These are people that immediately started posting that. Look at this black and white shot, social distancing today at a forest preserve. Isn't this beautiful? From GW Bonic, I hope I pronounced that right. Please forgive me if I did not. Here's one I love from Mike Burns. This, I believe, is his son, who is also a photographer, but check out the colors. I'm guessing perhaps chrome. Beautiful, just a great shot on the 50mm f2 with 2.0 aperture. Another viewer who's been posting some great photos is Pedro. Oh, I'm gonna screw this up. I'm sorry. Venacio? I apologize. Let's call him Pedro. Pedro from Portugal, right? Great photographs. You've got to go check it out. And telling a story, I love it. Whitney also has been telling us what they've been up to. And look at this series of beautiful shots. We also have a couple of great shots from Lulu Discovering World. Have a look at this. A really nice one here of hands holding out a picture. Make sure you go check out their Instagram. So thanks to those photographers who posted their work on Instagram. Keep them coming. I want to see more. Don't forget, you gotta hashtag it my story right here for me to be able to know it's out there, because I'll check it. Okay, I'm gonna go out and shoot some pictures. I love this macro extension. Have a great weekend. Please take care of yourselves. Try and keep a good attitude. I know it's hard. Use that creativity. If you're unsure of what to do, watch this video right here on some things, some suggestions I have that you could do today to kind of just keep yourselves busy, keep focused on the creativity. And I have a new video coming for you I'm working on. You are going to love it. You know what it's about? You'll have to see. Okay, got to give you something to look forward to. Anyhow, have a great weekend, and I can't wait to see you in another video soon. Take care.